What am I even doing? Oh my god. JD out here with the bird scooters. Ready to give her a whirl. Ready, babe? I'm gonna go in that. Why is it not going? Yeah? Whoa. You getting it, babe? Babe, are you getting it? I'm doing it. Hanging with JD here. Out testing the bird scooters.
Hey, how do I look? Like an idiot.
Safety first. As you can see, I got my helmet and pads. It's pretty easy. Whoa! I can't turn right. I don't feel comfortable turning right. Like if I was going to turn around, I can turn like this right, but if I was going to do a turnaround, I have to do it left. I don't know why it keeps stopping like that. Keep with me, babe. Here we go. Babe. Is that a wheelie? Did I wheelie it? I Papa wheelied it. Sweet, right, babe?
Yeah.
It's a serious machine, not a toy. I'll tell you that. A lot of high speeds. You gotta have a lot of control. For some reason, the power cuts in and out. That's scary when you're on the roads. I might need to reach out to Bird on that before they send me my own after they see this video. But a lot of fun, guys. A lot of fun. Let's see how much I've spent. $7. No, $8.54. $8.54 for 10 minutes. Just like that. It's just like that. Easy peasy.